Hey, welcome back to the course. So far, we have talked about what digital marketing actually is and how your customers think and behave online. Good, but now comes the part where most businesses trip up. They jump straight into let's run some Facebook ads or let's post daily on Instagram without ever answering one basic question. What are we actually trying to achieve? Today we are fixing that. We are going to cover three things, and don't worry, all three connect into one simple system by the end. Number one, how to set goals that actually mean something using something called SMART goals. Number two, the AIDA funnel, which is basically the journey every customer takes in their mind before they buy from you. And number three, the 4Ps, but with a digital age twist. So you can build a marketing plan that's built for how people actually shop today. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to build a simple marketing funnel from scratch. Let's get into it. Part 1, SMART goals. Let us start with goals, because this is where most marketing plans fall apart before they even begin. If I ask a business owner, what's your marketing goal? I usually get an answer like, I want more sales or I want to grow my brand. Sounds fine, right? But it's actually useless. Why? Because it's not measurable. There is no deadline and there is no way to know if you have actually succeeded or failed. So this is where SMART goals come in. SMART is just an acronym, 5 letters, and each one fixes a specific problem with vague goals. S is for specific, not I want more customers, but I want more customers for my weekend home cleaning service. M is for measurable. You need a number, not more customers, but 20 new customers. A is for achievable. Be honest with yourself. If you are a small business with a modest budget, don't set a goal of 10,000 new customers this month. Set something realistic because it's your current capacity. R is for relevant. Does this goal actually matter to your business right now? If your real problem is that people don't trust your brand yet, then a goal like increasing website traffic might not be the most relevant one. Maybe collect 50 positive Google reviews is more relevant. And T is for time bound. Every goal needs a deadline, not someday, but in the next 60 days. So let's put that all together with a real example. Instead of saying I want more customers for my cleaning service, a SMART version would be I want to get 20 new customers for my weekend home cleaning service in Coimbatore within the next 60 days through Instagram ads and WhatsApp follow-ups. See the difference? That single sentence now tells you exactly what to do, how to measure it, and by when. That's a real goal you can build a campaign around. Quick exercise for you. Pause the video for a second and try writing one SMART goal for your own business right now. Just one sentence using all 5 letters. We will come back to this later in the course when we build your actual campaign. Part 2, the AIDA funnel. Okay, now that you have a goal, the next question is, how does a total stranger turn into a paying customer? That's where the AIDA funnel comes in. AIDA stands for awareness, interest, desire, and action. It's basically a map of what's happening inside your customer's head in order before they buy anything from you. Let's walk through each stage with an example. Let's say you run a small bakery. Stage 1, awareness. This is the moment someone first finds out you exist. Maybe they see your reel on Instagram, maybe a friend tags them in your post, maybe they just walk past your shop. At this stage, they don't know much about you, they just know, oh, this bakery exists. Your job here isn't to sell, it's just to be seen. This is where things like social media reels, local SEO, and word of mouth do the heavy lifting. Stage 2, interest. Now they are curious. They click on your Instagram profile, they look at a few more posts, maybe they check your menu. They are thinking, okay, what do they actually offer? Your job here is to give them a reason to keep looking. Good photos, clear information, maybe a story about how your cakes are made fresh daily. Stage 3, desire. This is where curiosity turns into wanting. Maybe they see a comment like best red velvet cake in the city, or they see a video of the cake being cut and the chocolate slowly dripping down the sides. Now they are not just interested, they actually want to try it. This is where things like customer reviews, mouth-watering visuals, and social proof comes in. People don't just buy products, they buy the feeling of wanting something. And the next stage 4, action. This is the final step. They actually place the order. Maybe they message you on WhatsApp, maybe they click order now on your website, maybe they walk into the shop. But here is the thing a lot of businesses get wrong. If this is the last step, it's complicated, you lose the sale even after doing everything right in the first 3 stages. If someone has to call during business hours, wait for someone to pick up and then explain what they want, many people will just give up and go to a competitor with an easier ordering process. So, the goal of action stage is simple. Remove every bit of friction. A clear order now button, a WhatsApp catalog they can browse and order directly from, anything that makes buying effortless. Now, here is the important part. Most businesses only focus on stage 4, action. They just want to know, how do I get sales? But if you skip awareness, interest, and desire, you are basically asking stranger to marry you on the first date. It doesn't work like that. Every single thing you do in marketing, a reel, a blog post, an ad, a WhatsApp message, fits into one of these 4 stages. Once you understand that, you stop guessing and you start building content with a clear purpose. Part 3, the 4 P's of the digital age. Now, let's bring in something you may have heard before, the 4 P's of marketing: product, price, place, and promotion. This is an old concept, but it still works. We just need to look at it through a different lens. Product. This is what you are actually selling. But in the digital age, product isn't just the physical thing anymore. It includes the experience around it. For example, 2 clothing brands might sell the exact same kind of shirt, but one has a smooth website, easy size shots, and quick delivery, while the other doesn't. Even though the product is identical, the customer experience makes them feel like different products entirely. Next, price. Obviously what you charge, but digitally price also includes how it's presented. Is there a clear price on your website, or does someone have to contact for pricing? A lot of customers will simply leave if pricing feels hidden or complicated. Transparency, especially online, builds trust. Place. This is used to mean the physical location of your shop. Today, place means everywhere your customer might find you. Your website, your Instagram page, WhatsApp, Google Maps, even marketplaces like Amazon or a food delivery app. Your digital place needs to be as easy to walk into as a physical shop. And next, promotion, how your people tell about your product. This is the one that's changed the most. It used to mean newspaper ads or flyers. Today it means content, reels, ads, influencers, shoutouts, WhatsApp broadcasts, etc. Promotion today is a constant conversation with your audience, not a one time announcement. Here is the key idea to take away. Your 4Ps and your AIDA funnel need to work together. Your promotion drives awareness and interest. Your product and price build desire and trust. And your place, meaning how easy it is to actually buy, determines whether that final action step happens smoothly or not. Bringing it all together. So, let's connect everything we covered today into one simple flow. You start with a SMART goal, a specific, measurable target with a deadline. The goal tells you exactly what success looks like. Then you map your customer's journey using the AIDA funnel: awareness, interest, desire, and action. So every post, ad, or message has a clear purpose. And finally, you align your 4Ps: product, price, place, and promotion to support that journey at every stage in a way that fits how people actually browse and buy today. That right there is a real marketing funnel built from scratch in a way that actually makes sense. Before you go, here is your homework for this episode. Take the SMART goal you wrote earlier and map out one piece of content for each stage of the AIDA funnel. One post for awareness, one for interest, one for desire, and one clear action step. Just a simple outline is fine for now. In the next episode, we are going to dig into understanding your target audience and building customer personas so you know exactly who you are creating all this content for. If this video helped make things clearer, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one, and drop a comment if you have any questions about SMART goals or the AIDA funnel. See you in the next episode.